and got toilet paper.
Did you do a poo?
Not yet. I was like riding up a little, like after I filmed you guys, and I rode up a little bit. I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna myself for sure. So I went back and got bog roll. I'm like, I'll be right for a bit.
You don't tell anyone, eh?
Sorry about it.
Gee.
I was hooning like.
Like he's in there taking a poo. That's disgusting. Yuck! Let's get out of here.